Good day, YouTube. This is Jay Money with Falling Forward Financial. Just an update here on SIRC, Solar Integrated Roofing Corp. I've talked about them a couple times here on the channel. It's been a while past due for an update. But here's a look at what they've done over the last year. Had the run up here at $1.15, looks like back in March. Came down just like a lot of other stocks, 31. Hit a peak here for whatever reason in January, 59, and currently at 38 cents. Here's a look at the last month. Stayed in the 30-cent range. Broke the 40s, 41. Here's a look at the last week, 40 cents. Took a dip there to 38. So been in the 38 to 40 cent range. 40 there. So you could make a couple pennies if you're trading this one. I wouldn't recommend it, but it's up to you. But I don't give tax, legal, or trading advice. Just bringing the stocks to you and seeing who out there has them and see if we can all make money together is what it's all about. So this is on the pink sheets, ticker SIRC. So you'd have to get this one through a major exchange, TD Ameritrade, Charles Schwab. I always recommend Fidelity. I haven't paid a commission there yet, but couldn't tell you about TD. I haven't tried it there or Schwab, so if you have any information on either one of those, you can list it in the comments. But this stock has above average movements during the day, just as we saw, but be aware of the low or falling volume as it increases the risk. During the last day, the stock moved 0.0175 between high and low, or 4.76%. For the last week, the stock has had a daily average volatility of 9.36%. So it's kind of a lot, even with the price. I mean, that's a 10%, so. But kind of an interesting chart. I just have a couple shares of this one, not a whole lot. My Fidelity account is just pretty much for penny stocks, so I haven't really put anything else into it. But a red day yesterday on Thursday for Solar Integrated Roofing Corp. Stocks fell by 0.41% in the last trading day, from 38 to 38, and has now fallen 4 days in a row. During the day, the stock fluctuated 4.76% from a day low of 37 to a high of 38. Price has been going up and down for this period, and there has been a 4.68% gain for the last 2 weeks. Volume fell on the last day along with the stock, which is actually a good sign, as volume should follow the stock. On the last day, the trading volume fell 176,000 shares, and in total 759,000 shares were bought and sold for approximately 287.04 thousand. Stock lies in the lower part of the very wide and weak rising trend in the short term. Given the current short-term trend, the stock is expected to rise 7.24% during the next 3 months. And like I was going to say, it's summer, so you'd think this one would be going up. In the next 3 months, and 90% probability hold a price between 36 and 65. So the way I look at this one is it's at its lows, or it should be almost to the lows. You might just have to dollar cost average into it. I don't know how many shares. If you're looking to buy 100, maybe just buy 100 a day and see where it goes from there. But again, I don't give tax, legal, or trading advice. Just throwing my opinion out there on what I've done in the past. So there is a buy signal from a 3-month moving average, or a MACD. Some negative signals were issued as well, and these may have some influence on the near short-term development. So we'll just have to wait and see. That's support, risk, and stop loss. So if you're looking into this one and don't want to lose money, just put a stop loss on it so it sells. But then you always have the I've done that before, and then once it sells, then it runs back up higher to where it was to begin with. And so it's it's up to you. If you don't want to lose your money, just put a stop loss on it. So it's as simple as that. But if you don't have time to watch it, over here on Reddit, a yellow update, a holding and not looking back. So I mean, it's summer, getting close to summer. Time changes this Sunday, so this one should start going up, I would assume. So if it went up to 65, you'd almost double your money. So nothing here on tip ranks, and nothing really there on MSN Money. So I kind of struggled to find really anything on this one, but just wanted to do a quick update on it, as it had been a while, but that's probably why, because there's hard to find information on this one sometimes. So probably do another one in a month or two when it gets closer to summer and see where the stock price is at that point. So, but if you have this one, go ahead and list it in the comments along with your cost basis, any other information you'd like to share. And if there's any other penny stocks or any other stocks out there you want me to take a look at and make a video, I'd be happy to do that as well. And if you haven't smashed that like button yet, go ahead and hit that for me, as well as subscribing and hit the bell so you're notified of when the next videos drop. Again, this is J Money Falling Forward Financial. Happy trading, happy investing, stay green. Cheers.